Hey folks, this video will teach you how to pronounce the Brazilian Portuguese word exceção. The correct pronunciation is exceção. Once again, exceção. In exceção, the XC sounds like S before E, following a common Portuguese rule. When XC comes before E or I, it's pronounced as S. For example, excellent, excelente. Again, excelente. The C with the symbol, which we call cedilha, always has an S sound, making the pronunciation exceção flow naturally. But remember, the correct pronunciation is always the one that people can understand, so don't be afraid. Choose whatever is easiest for you. Let's say it one more time. Exceção. You've got it. If you have any other word suggestions, feel free to comment below. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.